The west coast of Newfoundland is one of the greatest untapped, unspoiled ecotourism locations in all of Canada. The incredibly friendly people and magnificent unique landscapes make a vacation there a life-changing experience. If you have never been there, and if you love adventure and the great outdoors like I do, you need to plan a trip there now. This first video, although not very impactful, depicts and chronicles our trip from Halifax to Newfoundland, where we take the ferry from North Sydney to Port aux Basques and stay at a local hotel. As the trip continues, so too does the adventure and amazing scenery.
I'm just fine. Thank you so much. Perfect. Thank you.
Like this?
Awesome.
Yeah?
She's not throwing up yet,
Nice.
We're leaving a little early, eh?
An hour.
Awesome.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're just pulling out of North Sydney. It's July 30th. and we're on our way to Newfoundland. This is going to be a great tour. Here with Stacy and Steve. These guys are going to be loving the adventures in Newfoundland and all the hiking and stuff. So anyway, we started our trip. We'll keep you updated. This is going to be a lot of fun. Stacy and Steve spent nearly the entire 6-hour crossing on the outside of the deck of the ship. Not because anyone was sick now, mind you. They were just captivated by the beauty of the ocean. From the birds circling the ship to watching the porpoises that followed us, and seeing the other fishing vessels far on the horizon. When you live on the mainland and don't see the Atlantic Ocean as often as us East Coasters, it's easy to be spellbound by its grandeur and power. So, you guys came all the way from Ontario to come down here, and now this is the first interview. So, we've managed to get across Port aux Basques on the ferry from North Sydney. We're in Port aux Basques right now in the hotel having a few drinks after supper. So, you got to tell me, up to this point so far, tell me some of the highlights, because it's not fair for me, because you're going to judge a couple of days, but tell me some highlights of your trip so far.
Lovely. Okay, so the surprise for me was coming over on the ferry, and it was calm. I was ready with gravel. I was ready with everything. It was calm and beautiful, and we stood outside on the top deck and managed to see a few pods of porpoises. You
guys were on the deck pretty much the entire trip.
Yes, we were. It was
at least 4 hours.
And it was warm. At least 4 hours.
Yeah.
At least.
Yes.
And it wasn't cold, it wasn't windy, it wasn't rainy, it was awesome. It was beautiful, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's nice for us to see the ocean. So.
And even this pouring rain right now in Port aux Basques, which I'm not sure if it followed us or if it came to greet us.
It was dark behind us as we left
lovely.
Cape Breton, so it probably followed us, right? Yeah. We expected it. It's good. It's fun.
The highlights of your trip so far. First day.
Getting to see my cousin and her okay husband. That was amazing.
Okay.
He's, I have a cousin that I have a favorite cousin's husband, but I
He's
won't
pretty
tell you
hot.
who it
He's
is.
pretty hot.
We know his name is Steve.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
Steve's a good name.
Yeah, Steve's a good name. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's willing to go out in the rain. and get
Favorite
the boots out
cousin's
of the car.
husband's name is Steve.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. But no, so far, you know, the highlight for me is just having these guys here because we've been planning this for the last 2 years. So it's been a real struggle, up and downs, thinking we're going, not going, ATVs, no ATVs, but we're going to make the best of it. That's, I think, probably a disappointment for me is,
Yeah.
you know, no ATV adventure because that was
We'll
the
make
original
the best
plan.
of it.
Absolutely.
Adjusting.
Yeah.
Tell me what you love about your wife the most. No, just kidding. What is your highlight?
I think the highlight for me on this trip is to see their excitement and to kind of experience it through their eyes. Because totally, because it's new for me to see that and to see that excitement. I thought the interview was on me. Jeez. No, for me the highlight was to see it through their eyes, because you know they're enjoying it and to see their excitement on the ocean and on the boat and that it's sometimes you become so numb to things you know, right?
Yeah.
Like, and sometimes it just takes somebody else to kind of go, holy crap, like that's amazing, and go, you know what? Actually, it is, isn't it? Like sometimes, and you've heard me say this numerous times, even about the martial arts to kids, right? Like martial arts is not boring. There's nothing in life that's boring. It's your inability to make it exciting, right?
right.
And so the same thing kind of happens, and sometimes you learn. We're on the boat, and I'm like just loving watching these guys get excited about it. So for me, that's I'm loving that part. Yeah.
It's pretty exciting.
Yeah. Cheers. Yeah.
Cheers to seafood and good friends.
And Sleepy Steve.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.